Let's talk about how to tie your karate belt. Hopefully your karate belt is in a wrap. This is a traditional Japanese Furoshiki. It's like a wrapping cloth, and this keeps it all bound together. The karate belt is very sacred and special. You don't want it dragging the floor, getting any kind of dirt or sweat on it that wasn't earned. So hopefully you have a Furoshiki. And it could be anything. This is a piece of an old gi that I used for many years, and it finally saw its last training day, so I turned it into a Furoshiki, a belt carrier. So tying the belt. If you have any kind of design on your belt, like this is my name in Japanese, okay? So you want it facing your belly, okay? So you're going to put any kind of design or letters or your name that you want on the outside. For example, you want that to be on your left side to go along with any kind of writing or patch, okay? So put that against your belly, and you try your best not to let the belt touch the ground. Okay, again, it goes back to not wanting any dirt or sweat that you didn't earn to get on the belt. So, like so. At this point, these are called ears. So you want your ears lined up, okay? Now you cross the top over the bottom. This makes a nice little circle-like, and you want the top to go through the bottom, okay? Now, you will pull it to the side. So if you have any kind of kanji or writing, it is on the left side of the gi, okay? That is how you tie your belt. Now let's talk about taking the belt off. You just had a hard class, everybody's tired and sweaty, okay? Same thing applies. You don't want your belt touching the floor, okay? So take it off nice carefully. Even out the ears, okay? And I just like to fold mine, okay? There you go. Then the belt goes back into your Furoshiki. And many ways to do this. There's the traditional way of sitting on the floor and wrapping the belt. Or if you're in a hurry, do it this way. How to tie your belt. Go train.